Did a software update break the Anticrash Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get localized stability orchestration logic running again. To kick off the manual repair for Anticrash Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Anticrash Library, frequently associated with legacy System Optimizer or Anticrash utilities. It manages the localized exception handling hooks that attempt to prevent applications from closing after a memory error. Because it performs deep system hooking, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, the parent utility will report an API bind failure. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The Anticrash Library DLL module is a localized part of the localized stability orchestration logic integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Anticrash library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Remember that Anticrash Library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing Anticrash Library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Anticrash Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.